How to set element size in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set element size in your Wix Studio website. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first, you have to log into your Wix Studio account, and then you can choose the website. I'm gonna choose this one. You can click on it, and then you will be in that website dashboard. This is my website dashboard. Now you can navigate to edit site here. You can click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor. So if you want to set the element of your website, you have different methods. So let's say I want to set this element, this image specifically. So you can just click on it, on the image, or you can right click and then select a layer and then choose the image. After that, you can just go to the, this one, and then you can drag, you can move the cursor after you click it, and the size is will be changed, depends on your cursor, like this. If you want to make it smaller, you can just like this, then you can just drag and select that. It's very simple. And for the video, so basically this is the video box. So you can just like this, you can search for the icon here like this, and then you can drag like this, and the size of the video box, this is the video box, will be changed. And then for the video, this is the video. I'm gonna right click and then select layer and then choose the cell, this one, and then you can go to the edge of the video, you can click on it and then just like this, and the size of the video will be changed, depends on the cursor. It's like this, it's very simple. And the other method is you can just right click and then select layer and then choose the element, then open the inspector here in the right side of your screen, and you will see there is size option here. You can change the size, maybe this, and it will change. You can also change it, it will change. And then also you can put the percentage, let's say 30%, just for example, maybe percent, and it will adjust automatically. So I think that's it, how to set element in your Wix Studio website. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.